So here we go for All Signs Collective, Soulmate Twin Flames for the next, let's take 48 hours. So what's happening in your current scenario? One card of what's happening in your current scenario. Soulmate Twin Flames, All Signs Collective. This is for all signs. If you're a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, whichever sign. Okay, do not ask me questions saying, oh, is it for this, is it for that? It is for all signs. Okay, All Signs Collective. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. Okay. So right now with Ace of Swords, okay, many of you guys are finally seeing some truth. Okay, like you see things for what it is. Okay, for some of you, you are getting aware that your person is a player. Your person is someone who is not really willing to commit. For some of you, if it's not that you know that a person is not a player, then you guys are going to get communication. Especially if this person is air sign or fire sign, I see more chances of you getting communication. Okay, so you may be any sign, but the person has to be fire or air. Okay, so yes, give me one more card. What's happening in your current scenario? What's happening in your current scenario? Soulmate Twin Flame for the next 48 hours. With the Magician card, I see you, that is like moving forward. I do not see you stagnant or crying or dying or begging someone for attention. Okay, I see you living your life, and I see you moving forward with clarity. Okay, like you are moving forward, you are wanting to manifest new things in your life. You're wanting to manifest some good things in your life. Okay, some with for some of you, I see a fire sign coming your way. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And I would want to highlight for some of you, this person could also be water, but water is always involved because you guys do feel emotional connections to water signs. You know, they are like naturally emotional, so it's easier for people to connect with water signs. Okay, so with Five of Cups here, yeah, I do feel many of you guys would be either connected with the fire or water sign. Okay, so give me one more card. What else is coming up for Soulmate Twin Flame for the next 48 hours? Yeah, I see you moving forward. I see forward movement in your life. I do not see stagnancy anymore. Okay, I see you clearly moving forward, taking that step forward, wanting to move forward. So all about forward movement. Okay, I see clarity coming your way. If it's not someone telling you something, you are going to make your own path. You're going to clear off anything that's blocking you so that you can move ahead in life. Okay, I see you cutting out toxic things from your life. So if you were in connection with a player who was supposedly not giving you commitment, I see you cutting them out from your life, or at least removing them from your path, so that you could move forward. Okay, give me one card for the past, please. One card for the past. What's really happening, or what was happening? Soulmate Twin Flame. One card for the past. In the past, for many of you guys could have tried to reconnect with your person, but it did not give you any results. Okay, so with Nine of Wands, you are at the same place where you were for the past many days or weeks. Okay, I do not see any changes because we still have the Knight of Cups. So many of you could have wanted to reach out, but you thought it's better to stay where you are. So take what resonates in your case. Since I have to talk to like 10,000 people out here, everyone is going to have different scenarios. Okay, so I can't be pinpoint particular. You know, many of you expect readers to be pinpoint particular, but you all are from different age groups. You know, we can't be so pinpoint particular about the reading. So you need to get a hold of this. Okay, so yes. With Ace of Pentacles, many of you guys in the near future or in the next few days, I see you getting a new offer. Okay, so since this is more like into the romantic grounds, I would say that many of you guys could be finding someone new in your life that is either fire of water again. Okay, if it's fire, I see a lot of Aries being very strong. If it's water, I see Cancer and Scorpio being very strong. So these are the signs I see like very strongly. It could be any sign, but these are the signs, I mean, that are highlighted like in the reading so far. Okay, so yes, give me one more card as to what's coming up for you in the next few days. What's really coming up for you in the next few days? What's really coming up for Soulmate Twin in the next few days, please? With King of Pentacles, I see you being very focused on your own self. So, kind of a little selfish energy, but no harm in that. You're going to be totally focused on yourself, your growth, your success, your finances, your future, altogether making things stable in your life overall. Okay, taking back control of your life. Many of you guys will decide of staying away from your person with Six of Swords. Okay, you would not want to be in part of any drama, neither are you wanting to create any drama. You are wanting to be at your place, and you want to be in peace. Okay, so one more card for what's your person up to. Soulmate, twin flame, all sign collective. What's your person up to? Give me one card for the collective, please, spirit. What's your person up to? Soulmate, twin flame. With Eight of Pentacles, to be honest, I see your person being focused on themselves. Okay, for many of you, I still feel that they are wanting to communicate, but like 80% of the times they are focused on their own journey, own self, own life. But I do see them having interest towards communicating with you. Page of Wands is someone wanting to, come forward with their energy. Okay, that is, they are wanting to connect with you on a very communicative level. So yes. With Nine of Swords, I see a person being restless over the situation, but trying hard to stay busy so that they do not have to think a lot about the whole connection thing. Okay, so what's this person up to? Like what are they wanting to do regarding the situation? One card for what's your person wanting to do about the whole situation? Soulmate, twin flames. Sorry. I see your person trying to come towards you. Okay, they are planning to, at least that's what I feel. Yes, I mean that's a confirmation. Ace of Cups. So right now your person is in their feelings. This should connect with the Libra reading, which I've done recently, maybe past 2 days. I do feel your person is wanting to come forward. I see your person having interest of coming forward, like taking that leap of faith towards you. They are very much in their feelings, but I still see them trying to stay busy, and that's the reason why you could not hear from them, because they are trying to stay busy, or maybe they are busy in their life, man. You never know. Okay, so one card for how do they see you now. One card for how does your soulmate twin flame see you now. One card for how do they see you now. They see you as their soulmate. Okay, they see you as their better half, their other half. Okay, they see you as someone who's their equal, and someone who connects with them on a very emotional level, not just physical or like intellectual, but emotional level. You guys have an emotional connect together. Okay, with the Hermit card right now, I do not feel there is like communication happening. You guys might have ghosted them, because we also have the Hermit card here, so which tells me that there is some ghosting going on. So they see you as someone who's trying to stay away or alone from them. Okay, give me one more card as to how does your person see the connection now. How does your person see the connection that you people share. How does your person see the connection that you people share. One card for that. There was a lot of confusion in the past, but I do feel that your person is wanting to end the confusion now. Your person is wanting to, basically there is still confusion going on, but they are still wanting to end the confusion. I feel they see you as someone who had a lot of options, or your person had a lot of options. Take however it resonates, okay? But I do feel they are wanting to end that now. They are wanting to put an end to that confusion game, juggling game. Okay, so how are they possibly wanting to come forward? How are they possibly wanting to come forward? One card for what are their intentions towards you now? How are they possibly wanting to come forward? Soulmate, twin flames, all signs collective. One card for that, please. We have a card. We have the Sun card and Six of Cups, which tells me that your person is wanting to come forward. They're wanting to possibly, you know, like reach out to you. Okay, I see them wanting to extend their energy towards you. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you, please. So what's your soulmate twin flames current feelings towards you? How do they currently feel about you? With Nine of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment. You are their dream come true. I know this sounds, untrue, but this is what it is. Okay. With Three of Swords, in terms of feelings, right now there might be separation going on with the two of you, but they still want you. Okay, and they are still wanting to build with you or partner up with you or still have this connection going with you. I do not see. For many of you, this could have been due to a third party because Three of Swords, Three of Pentacles together always highlights a third party. So for some of you, they could not reach out or they could not give you something committed for selected few of you, not all of you, because there could have been a third party. Okay, you need to take reading for what it is. You need to know your situation. You need to have a basic idea. You can't get confused with everything that's going on in a reading. Okay, so that's up to you with your strength and with your intelligence. You need to take what possibly resonates with you. So one card for how do they think of you now? How do they think of you now? One card for how do they think of you now? With the strength card, I mean, right now they need a lot of strength to reach out to you. Maybe right now they are lacking that strength or that focus to reach out. I still see some resistance going on from their side. They want to be balanced before coming towards you. They want to be that person you would want to accept in your life. Okay, they would not want to come back with that same player like energy. I see them wanting to balance their life. Okay, so what's the main blockage, if we may know, Spirit? What's really stopping your soulmate twin flame from coming towards you? What's really stopping your soulmate from coming towards you? One card for that, please, Spirit. They did not take action. For many of you, there was lack of action, and your person was very much focused on their own life, their own independence. Your person loves their independence. They like to be like someone who could do whatever they want to do. So they were not very much up for commitment. For many of you, this could be the reason that your person wasn't really up for commitment. Okay, they wanted a very come and go kind of a connection where they did not have to answer anything. They could come and go whenever they wanted to. I mean, that sounds really wrong, but it is what it is. Okay, and they were very much focused on themselves, and they did not take action. They did not make a move, and that's the reason why everything is blocked right now. So where's this connection possibly going forward? Where is this connection possibly going forward for soulmate twin flames for the next 48 hours? Where do we see this connection possibly going forward? I do feel that you are upset with your person, okay, but I still see you both loving each other, okay. Even if you are not reaching out and you're possibly ghosting them, I still see you thinking about them and still having that feelings for them, okay. With Two of Wands, you haven't completely closed up or closed yourself, like towards like this connection. You are still open to them, but you are not making that out and clear that you are still open. But deep down, I still see you being open to the connection or towards this person. Okay, so one card for what you could expect in terms of action from your person now for the next few days. What could you possibly expect from your person for the next few days? I feel for many of you, you guys will get communication. I mean, yeah, this person is coming out of the cold. The silence is finally ending. Okay, I see the silence finally ending in your life. So for many of you, there will be communication. Do let me know about it. Okay, I do love like hearing back from my subscribers regarding the reading. So yeah, so let's take messages from your person now. So what would your person want to say to you if they let go of their ego and their pride and their fears and their insecurities? What would they want to say to you? Secret message from your person. Okay, we have one card. You are my star, my dream. Excuse my handwriting. You are my star, my dream. So you are still someone they would want to have in their life. Yes, I have options, but I only want you. Okay, and let's see last message. Okay. Looking to return soon. I mean, I'm sorry, I ran out of cards. Looking to return soon. I mean, if you could watch it. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for Soulmate Twin Flames All Signs Collective. If you could resonate, be kind enough to consider hitting the like button, because that greatly helps my channel to grow. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Reach out if you want a personal reading with me. Go to my website, choose one, and you could email me or DM me on Instagram, and just we could like book a reading for you. But it will take you at least 8 to 10 days. I have some waiting going on. For all those who have already booked, you guys will get your reading within the next 72 hours. So yes, thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.